So guys, in today's video of Django, here you can see one more video has came of the Django, and today's video of Django, I'm telling about the include tag. If you don't know what is the include tag in Django, so see the video start to end, and please hit a like button, share, friend, and subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to all the notification bell also never miss out future latest videos. So now I did not take a long time, so let's move to computer screen and let's learn about what are include tag in Django. So let's move to computer screen and let's do a coding with nothing. So guys, in today's Django video, I'm telling about the include tag. Like in the previous video, we learned about the comment tags. So in today's video, we're learning about the include tag. So without wasting a time, let's get started. The include tag allows you to include a template inside the current template. This is useful when you have a block of content that is the same for many pages. Like in the example of footer.html, let me copy it and let me paste it here. Sorry, not here, here. Now, here one example of the template.html. In this example, we also define a comment. Like in the PHP, we learn about the comment, and I have told you about the comments. And like that, you define the Django comment. Here you can see it. If you don't know, I have all told you. So then you paste this code. Now, variables in include. You can set variables into the template by using the with keyword. What keyword? With keyword. In the include file, you refer to the variables by using the bracket in the bracket syntax. Like this one example. Like in this example, we define a bracket, then in the bracket I like sponsor, then bracket in the here I like me, like that. Now, template.html. This is one example of the template.html. Let me copy it and let me paste it. Here you can see it. And when you run it like that, let me show you how. And run it. First of all, let me refresh it. So it give me welcome. This is my web page. Let me show you. It take a little bit loading, but here you can see it. Welcome. This is my web page. It give me like that. So now let's come on it here. And let me open my Django file. So you can see it in today's video, we learned about the Django include tag. I know this video is very smaller because in today's video there are not just type of very explanation and that type of thing. That's why the video is very smaller. But I hope you can enjoy this class. If you enjoy, so please hit a like button, share, and subscribe to my channel. And do not forget to all the notification bell also never miss our future latest videos. So but for today, goodbye.